If you're looking to implement an AI receptionist into your business in 2026, then you need to stop whatever you're doing right now. Because I don't care what ads you've seen, I don't care whatever your friends have told you, because I want you to drop everything you know about AI receptionists up until this point before watching this video. Because it can mean the difference between spending thousands of dollars on an AI tool that you don't even understand and don't even need in the first place. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire criteria that I use to determine if a business even needs AI in the first place and if it can benefit from it. And as a bonus, I'm going to reveal the difference between a standard AI receptionist bot versus a full sales capturing system using AI. So without further ado, I'm going to show you a short clip of a demo of an AI receptionist if you haven't seen it already.
Hi, thanks for calling North Star Heating and Air. This is Ava. What's going on with your system?
Yeah, it's really hot right now, and my AC just stopped working out of nowhere. Do you know what happened?
That sounds frustrating. Is your AC not turning on at all, or is it running but not cooling?
It's not turning on at all. Like, it was turning on at first, but then all of a sudden it just stopped working, even though we tried to turn it on and off.
Yeah, got it. That's usually fixable. Do you want to schedule a technician to take a look?
Yeah, of course. Do you think he could come as soon as possible? It's really hot in my house.
Okay, I'll mark this urgent. Are you home right now?
Yeah.
Thanks for letting me know. Can I get your name to get started with the booking?
My name is Brian Nguyen.
Thanks, Brian. What's the best phone number to reach you?
415-361-7810.
Thank you. What's the best email address for your appointment confirmation?
BRYANNGUYENS12@gmail.com.
Thanks, Brian. Let me check our soonest available times for an urgent AC repair today. We have openings for an urgent visit between 6 p.m. and 9:30 p.m. today. Does that work for you?
Yeah, let's try 6 p.m.
Booking you for a 6 p.m. urgent AC repair today. Perfect. We'll take care of it.
Also,
Stay cool.
how long do you think it'll last or take to get it fixed?
Most repairs are handled in one visit, but it depends on what we find. Our tech will let you know what to expect once they check your system.
Also, where are you guys located?
We're based right here in Phoenix, Arizona, and serve the surrounding area.
Okay. And how much do you guys typically charge?
Perfect. Pricing depends on the issue. What's going on with your system again? Just to confirm, it's not turning on at all.
Yeah, it's just that.
Thanks for confirming. Our technician will diagnose the problem and give you an honest, no surprise quote before any work is done.
Okay. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed that demo. You were probably shocked by how realistic it sounded, but without further ado, let's jump right into the good stuff. Stop before you buy an AI receptionist in 2026, because most businesses shouldn't. So in today's agenda, we're going to be diving into the truth about AI receptionists in 2026, the 3 criteria that you need to see if you even need one in the first place, the difference between a bot versus a sales capture system, when to buy, when to not buy, and what a real revenue system actually looks like. So there are 2 types of people right now. People who buy AI because it's trendy, and people who buy AI because it increases revenue, because these are not the same. And the truth is, an AI receptionist will not fix low call volume. It won't fix bad marketing, low intent leads, a weak offer, or poor service. Because first of all, you have to ask yourself, do you even have enough calls, right? If you have 5 calls per week, simply answer, don't buy AI. If you have 10 calls per week, probably not. Well, but if you are handling 20 plus calls per week, then now it's actually something to consider. Because exceptions being with, if you are obviously in a high ticket service, then missing 1 call can be a big deal. Or if you're always super busy and you're a solo operator, then it might be worth looking into. Second of all, are you actually missing revenue? So you have to ask yourself these. Do calls go to voicemail? Are nights and weekends uncovered? And do you return calls late sometimes? Or do customers ever say, we've already booked with someone else after you tried following up them? And if you answered yes to a couple of these, then it's a good sign that you probably might benefit from an AI receptionist. Third of all, you gotta ask yourself, what is your average job value? If your average job appointment value is $75, then it's possibly not worth it. If it's $150, maybe. If it's $500 or more, very worth it. And if your average ticket value is $2,000 or more, especially for like med spas, roofers, plumbers, then it's a no-brainer. Because AI makes sense when one captured job pays for the entire month. Now here's where people get confused. There's a big difference between AI Receptionist bot versus an AI sales capturing system. Most people buy the first one, and the top 10% of people in your industry use the second one. So a standard AI Receptionist bot answers calls, takes messages, sounds decent enough, maybe books basic appointments, and it simply just replaces voicemail. And plus, it's cheaper, right? But now get ready. AI sales capturing systems. With these capture systems, it answers instantly, qualifies the lead, handles objections, books directly into your calendar, sends confirmations, follows up automatically, logs those leads into your CRM automatically, and texts a lead if the call is dropped. Plus, it captures all after-hour jobs. So the real cost mistake. Most people will think, okay, I bought AI, now I'm good, right? But not if it's integrated without calendar, CRM, SMS follow-ups, and ad tracking. Because to be honest, if you don't have these features, then you pretty much just bought a talking voicemail that sounds better, right? So when should you buy an AI? If you get 20 calls per week, yes. If you miss some, of course. Your ticket is $400 or more, If you run ads or you plan to, it's probably a good idea to make sure you capture all of those. And if you want 24/7 availability, it's a really fantastic option as opposed to call centers paying for a VA or having a text confirmation. So when should you not buy AI? That's when you have low call volume, when you're early stage business and you don't have a defined service, you don't have a good booking system, and you're still trying to figure out demand for your service. So the 2026 reality is AI is not optional, but random AI tools are, because there's a big difference between buying AI and actually building systems. So final thought, AI should actually increase revenue, reduce your stress as an operator, and protect your ad revenue spend, and scale with demand. So if it can't do all four, then you shouldn't even buy in the first place. But wait, that's not all. I lied to you. Sorry. There's way more to AI sales systems that you actually think and that I actually showed you. So here's where it really gets spicy. So we're going to transition over to quick whiteboard. So here's what I already told you about AI sales systems. They answer immediately, qualifies leads, handles objections, sends follow-ups, and logs into CRM and text calls if dropped. Here's what I didn't mention, right? A full AI sales capture system. So hope you don't get too overwhelmed, but I'm gonna go through this really quickly. First pillar is inbound capture, right? You have 27/4 availability, you have human level performance, natural speech patterns, so no one's ever really disrupted by the fact that it's an AI. You have strategic pauses to make sure it sounds human. Filler words like like that actually sound human, and above average latency. So when your people are calling your AI receptionist, it doesn't sound like there's no one on the line, right? Plus call qualification, calendar booking, CRM logging, and missed to call text back. And this is where most people fall under in terms of buying an actual AI receptionist. Here's the second pillar, revenue recovery. So all of your lost sales are met with a follow-up via text or call, and light follow-up texts and you'd see around 1 to 2 appointments per month extra. There's text to lead activation, and you're re-engaging cold leads via AI, whether that may be texting or whenever they opt into your form or whenever the AI wants to call, right? With this, you see 1 to 5 more appointments, and overall, the idea is places where you couldn't previously get back to leads, AI fills it in via texting them back or calling them, right? And outbound growth is a third pillar. right? We have, like I mentioned, outbound calling. The AI will literally call you or your lead. Let's say whenever they don't follow through with a sale, or when you want to set booking appointments reminders. It also, if you have a form on your website, then the AI can actually trigger whenever someone fills out the form. So it's acting like a sales SDR without having the entire revenue system, right? Without having an entire payroll system. It reactivates old leads that are just sitting and rotting away in your CRM. You can use referral systems where the AI will just ask for a referral for maybe some promotion or something, right? With promotional incentives. And with this, you can see roughly 1 to 5 new clients per month. With the fourth pillar, we have reputation and SEO engine. With a review collector system, the AI can automatically shoot a text to your leads after they booked with you saying, hey, how did you enjoy our services? Can you please leave a message? Or potentially offer a promotion. So that way you boost your SEO through the roof, you boost your Google ranking because you have more reviews and most likely better stars, right? So you're getting automated review requests and you're improving your Google ranking plus SEO. And this will save hours per week chasing leads and asking them whether they want to leave a review, right? You don't have to handle it, the AI does it for you. So all in all, the AI full sales capture system, it focuses on doing all the repetitive tasks that you're currently doing, but without you having to lift a single finger. The AI does it all for you. Particularly focus on inbound capture, revenue recovery, outbound growth, and reputation engine to make the bicycle chain lubricated and flowing consistently, right? So if you think about it that way. So if you're curious about how this would actually look for your industry, I can actually build you a custom demo. Just email me or go to the link down below and you can actually test call my AI live, right? On my website, you'll have a form, fill out your phone number, and you can just call the AI and test it out live for yourself. Or if you want to just directly book a call with me, then we can go for a quick 45-minute strategy session where I walk you through your entire business and potentially address any leaks that there could be, right? So if you thought this video was helpful, please make sure to share, like, comment, or subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.